Yasachi obi edo bi biase wajibe na ohebe dwem on Adom TV multi TV so me do man hene kwab na asante machia kuma wo hene very masafo twene bo akodua papa bi pa na sa appeal to Rose Minister say kuma wu kwan no wadaroma koyemwa na bibia ntimi nkọ kama kuma wu kwan no Honorable Minister Rhodes era mwakwata kuma wu kwan no adehia wo kuma wu ameka ho bi yesere se obekoyemwa na watimi atoto honum eyi na bibia timi akokama amaye wa opese o invest in Ghana titu kumawu the right place to invest your sase honum your bia honum a oni na natenase a bere masafo twiribu akodia etenase a o ma on sase a betimi de djuma de animunya bebere asante mantem eni kumawu man nkura atwa ho ahye nyina botan so raso ne ona akanyina no pay ya chia mu nyina sanso na afu Kenya ase mo echiamo na afu kuro nyina under the able leadership of George Boachi mo se echiamo kwanso nkuzo kra ejidi se bibia kama ma menkenkan way quickly na afi yensambra back na yindi yenkomo wo han say we krata abrantie welbe kofi ampedu atwro de ekobo era ayokujeto ablakwa ehye se ontu anamo binyasa won bi pi ewo asendibia is a warning to Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa. My attention has been drawn to this feckless post by Sam Okujeto Ablakwa, which has also been further published by Bright Simmons on Twitter, Facebook, and other social media platforms. For a lawyer and MP of your caliber, this is an unbelievably irresponsible post, portraying a penchant to disgrace people without an iota of care as to how their loved ones will respond to it. You and Bright Simmons and all you insensitive apostles broadcast this picture will surely meet me in court for posting this. How on earth do you post a picture of me in a so-called expose I am not party to in any way? For your stature, I expect you to know better. This defaming post is ill-motivated, thoughtless, and unsolicited. I request an outright pull down of this post and a public apology. I am a lead producer and director of Badwam, a morning show on Adom TV, and you can't just pick a picture in which I am posted and used for your purpose. I request an immediate pull down of this picture on all social media platforms and demand a public apology for this dull-witted post. Be warned, and it's signed Welbeck, Kofi, Ampedu. And it comes with a poster now, it's arising out of a year. Sofo Victor Kusibuatin, Nyomabia era, Okujeto Ablakwa Nimnyamfo, Ekeka, Ede Efano. Ampedu asem ne se na mimi simu sen ana asori ye dwumadi a meme adwomtofo e kanya mi asem na ye de my poster na akofa asofo ne obi picture o de mesbi picture akoka ho a describe ye nyina se we ni nkofo mo no mo sesebe omo ye nyame adwuma so na kwati kwa so bu adehye otisa esinto na aba okrata nim no wan twina mfiri man pachowa ene na se wo no apart from being dishonorable no ono so di bekwase libya amakoto mwasem so so that's just by the way me hu say nipa do should raise issues about PRC funds and sema modia by is something that is for because it be a quite ritual it's a basara Ghana for he sometimes quite worrying and disturbing. You know, it's a formula. You might have your disagreements. It's like petrol to moon. Say, Sadia we are. If we have been on mind rather than the been a party and crown. If we don't put in a system that is nationalistic, and we put in a system and complaints that they be than people who take or make political capital out of every situation, the forward march of this country can never be seen or achieved. Bibia ebeye bia na de amanyo sem fiafia ho amanyo sem a ehu ni mfaso e ma oman entimi entum So yan minister Ghana for this year and send the party sema bem na bribi be say party for and say the Ghana bem dia. Then we should stop the noise. It's like we are fighting against young Kasan ya de near pretend in him the economy. A lot of issues in this country that has been discussed politically. That's why the responses and the solutions continue to be political solutions and responses. If we start doing the national solutions to issues, we have national problems, but we have national solutions. Or mine will be a huni bobre. But ye, Sakoye MPP in Quadi, Bekshinechi, Amanechi in Hawaii, Akoye NDC in Quadi, and yes, you're in the corner pepe pakusi. We don't have a beautiful country. But this country, Ghana, ipu any baby and her, kuntushaya, ninchiana eko, we dual citizen, we a white citizen. Once you are a Ghanaian, you are forever a Ghanaian. Okokokokokwa back Ghana. We are Ghanaian, so chimfa benkumini ni fakwa de ya obaba Ghana. I remember one of the few young men who distinguished more politically, or a political space. There was some Ghana in a bigger space. There was a Jawa back to Ghana, so some Ghana through the New Patriotic Party. Kofi Tonto, Afishapa, and Akwabas Kofi.
So, Mama Afishapa.
Yes.
Afisa say etiase na ye wonkwane ahoden.
Good.
Happy New Year to you.
Kofi, many glorious returns.
Mrani dru na mabu mekete mu kakra.
Yes.
Afi na me nso mababa bidru.
Na mo yina na mo ye yearly na mo de ofo places ekoti Ghana ni yearly na.
Dabi, no dey.
Once in
a occasion by either say BBC and say organization be engage or something, and sometimes I so it me design BBC.
Okay.
Nti nyame Adom na se mrepemu akwanya foforo so ba ye be but enye bibia ya hihya to us afi bia.
What makes driving very straightforward and simple in maybe our free ban? What makes driver for discipline? The my driver for the bibia touch macro ensure so obey police ni ojina kwaso obia mutual respect for one another. Driver ni men communicate mbro so men park wa adna sa baby free different species na tete one. What makes it so simple?
No, I think say near me no. Me for living in Aburuchiri for 21 years. Near me no na machine. One emraye adwuma ewo ho. Se ne emfa ho ni onipa bawe. Se wo ye mfomso nko ana se emra ne so mu a emra no ene obeye adwuma. Ye were circumstances na emra ne free se ebia mfomso na wo ye no. Trimupa na techire no wan sheda bibi nti ebetimi ama ye do ho achewa no mpo no ye beboko se wo sa ye biwo a ye be ma odin sa akokobọ no so beko record so nti o record no e follow sa na se wo ye mfomso no so a apart from the immediate expense na wo be incur no mfomso no bitimi di wachia for a long time. So I'll give you an example. So you driver na o drive na ye mount ticketer, speeding ticketer. Sa speeding ticketer ebe ubetua hoka ba ebe timi nso akwa ma o insurance nso a wutua wo car so no insurance nso be ka se nam se ye ta ma o ticket ntino o insurance nso ebe kosoro sa de no nso betimi akwa ma u kope adwuma na ye related to driving na ebe pulu record akase police amount ticket ana wanya such challenges we enti yen sheda wunni papa enti insurance one ensi with just the ticket na why den wetua no it follows you for a long time enti say wo ye mfomso wo hu se mfomso na meye no enye nnenko a ebetimi adimachi for a very long time enti am we careful.
So data continues to be key.
Data enti na tabaumia digitalization na obitimi busa say efa economy ho ben no na ya na yesre because what say o build the data architecture for any economy. I know the economy bia economy because you cannot build a modern economy if you do not have a digital architecture.
For instance, Ghana for ina yema mukrata ba say Ghana card.
Yes.
Mo bibia wo so. Aban bitima monitor bibia free.
Exactly.
Nti ufri wa say na wo support a support no ye ma oni nipa ening hyiemu biem.
Yes.
E be say bibia paperless. Nti na mu hrana okọ. E wo so
it's anonema economy no ye economy. America's economy is because Oma build the requisite architecture. Ma engine no e dane ne ho say ya e ka kiro say ubetimi accident wa ha. Ubedru ha no de ogina ha no be hu say enra unya accident wa ha because data no e di wachi.
Udimi entry from
say me compare adwuma ye betimi afa me wa adwuma me CV e be ka say o qualify for adwuma no na adwuma na ka kiro say adwuma na ye de ama no it is subject to o background check. Di ama wadwuma no all right. But my na otwe baako na yenkoye o background check. Ti ye do o social security be share system ni mu. Na ye pull relevant background checks nyina. Na ye pull wi a ya ka say okay wo wedding why mfum so we obo a ye betimi hu say oh wo case bi da so. Ye ntimi no nya adwuma. So you cannot build any society.
Why then is it difficult, say? What now man on 21 years? Know all these beautiful things. You paying for omunya a further enhanced experience by virtue of going to one of the topmost or the topmost. Yeah. Upon a wall. Yeah. Why is it difficult implementing most of the positives in this part of the world?
Because it comes to the second point and I'm making. The laws work. The tosuminu is the mindset of the people. Me call high school ewe US no. Training I mean say oye will be a year to America ha obey America ni abeye adwuma wo ha. Nya gidie se oman ni ye die no. Eno ne be hia wo kane.
America first.
The mindset. And they say ontutu ye ne won hihye a wo ye de enti a ye mamra ye adwuma no nyese ye mamra ye adwuma keke efi se ye pese kro ne ye den edi enti me ye me famu de se me nyam fonso as much as possible. I will endeavor to do the right thing. Na se me yam fonso a na mra na ye den enemy edi. But as citizens, you must first endeavor. But Ghana ha no yadane no.
True.
Ghana for ni free say say obi na eye na ono ye wi a menso ma ye me de. You can never build any nation like that. What I say? We must first do. Say we be politician, I'm a politician na be ye kronfo a. Politician no free mu na eba. In fact, ne kron no a obebo no. Ghana mran no so we hwe the way your systems no work here. Politicians intimi and mokro no abra oni sebe civil servants be entity mum. Politicians on intimi mokro. It tells you say opepano must first come from us. Sentina JFK can say you must first think about the woo nya den. Ayama wo man. Ansa no adwene de o man be yama. Because a nipa na chichiro man no man na chichiri nipa. Bagana ni yadani ebutu se o man na chichiri nipa no e nipa na chichiro man. Igana ni babunu bia sorry a edin na o man ni ya ma me. No.
It say no Franka Sempa sorry. If na na do pa o. I don't me ho chiri me say. Ne die nyina say asesa aban sesa ansa na ofisi wa yi. Sa adwene na we tim.
Sa adwene no. So ho enye ye wo emra na na Adom so betinya ye mistake. Say we call direct to Nanado. But you can't the foundation of a society. The polity of a society is the family system. The family system is made up of people. Nipediano. And to say Nipediano, and one thing I say, health is the fulcrum of any economy. To say Nipediano who kwachiwa economy because we the Nipa and the economy. Ye hunisa. Inti Ghana ni yam from so beka to other na system ni working.
But who contribute to systems?
Because for any system to work, you must first, let's take a very simple example. Traffic light or what? You see, red means what? Stop. Yellow means get ready. Green means go. Traffic light in this one. Who are mine? He will be able to say red in stop. Say, ya been say red stop. Traffic light and any juma. What did the matron say? There will be chaos. And as a woka say, as a chinchina, there be a shower, there will be anarchy. Because this will be their buyer then. And for any society to work, at least 80% of the society must first do right. Na kakra na kana omaye sebi obono. Ye nyina ya boa. Ama ya den emra na omadi. Baga na no 80% na di semone. Na 10% no na
mo kire mo ho
akoye hi. Nti wo 10% no wan hwe kra be kun ato atwen. So I say because
your money punto no necessarily does not depend on a political party or a politician necessarily.
Leaders count for something. Leaders count for something. Because your mindset nimpo besisa a cause for candifono. So leaders count for something. Until now bekaya and kroma semo our can say we must first liberate what? The mind. Leaders count for something. But the main culture on say ye nipa ni mu na leader no ye den free ba.
It is a leader be aba me say a stranger be.
No.
Ye mu no free. You know that a
reflection of us. Enti eto da bia ye nsu ni emban no timi ma adwuma no kra ye den because now be your man a kwaku ba yaoba adwoeba mansen ba we ba na say enti eto da bia ye chichire honsa no kra ye den gu wachi. So what I say, but ultimately leadership counts for something. But for a society to succeed, you know, the community, the society as a collective, I see you now you're dreaming per se or mine ye de cane. Because or mine ye de cane, no na me hold responsible. Sabe, moti hey, kwasi chuma jumani ye ne jumano. Enya ono kwasi chum botomo yon ka juma na gu kwasi chum se multimedia kane na emfaso baso amanya bi e de agu mi kwasi chum me den
ebi so so
enti wo man hene a wotia munua no mo ha nyina mo dwuma a mo ye ne se multimedia kane enti so bi di nsemone na wo tia na nya se wo tan no because wo pese multimedia ye
de
because multimedia nye ya wo sika ho beka ono so sika ho beka. So yes ye Ghana kane enye kofitonto kane enye oman na sante kane Ghana kane ye Ghana kane no mu no emfumso ne beye den ebeba basa adwene pone ne Ghana kane a de emfumso ne beba ne nyina ye beka abom ne aye den ya correct se ni pa no nti ene na media beye de aya ye nyina ye nya akwanya ya betena so aye kan bi but oman me de me ba ha pa titiro a me pese me di ho nkomo niema ira okujeto ablakwa ansana
no man
ya kan PURC so
no
you see oman niema bi koswa esi ehwe okenkan ensem bi sisi abrantie no ye adwuma wa ha abrantie no asemo a all kan se okujeto ablakwa eye ni so called expose no or the picture ye den
aka
okujeto de abrante ni picture kan no wan fan kan ho sa abrante na all kan ho asem or the kan ho se eye hwan Reverend Kusibuatin enya sa na ti sa picture na ye Reverend Kusibuatin obiti ne ba bi o wo se wo ye member of parliament inti ye de edin ato so se honorable inti se we honorable dia then onhihye mu ni wo oniema yemu no ese wo hwe se obaye no krogin na edin eda wo so no edimu inti wo free se obi aye mfomso pa de ese wo ye ne se due diligence inti he dan na wo kofa obi picture ah ono ti ne baby a o dwene ne ho no
say no all over your friends
yes
Juma o ye ni ze
wo good nipa nanimu a this is not the first time Okujeto Ablakwa ISRDW na me me ya say mu media for mo so Okujeto Ablakwa so
itie na sem
no mo so no so
yes so
yes I'll tell you why okay time Ukraine and Russia talk and start taking and Okujeto Ablakwa dimrika efa plane ekọ in the name say or a part of the Committee of Foreign Affairs okay
kushia
students
no
eni na anu eni na nsa na Okujeto de beto abontin say Ghana fo mmofra bi ho ayeden aka okay e kire no no sa ba abontin say asem obekan na enye no kre samu nyina ho kai but Okujeto di hu beto Ghana fo mu say Ghana fo bi ho aka e wa abrochi memu a ye kontokwa enu nansa eni na enu nansa na brantie ne sa ba abontin say me ana me kan na meboa bibia sensi na ma anya me due diligence the same Okujeto Ablakwa say na nado efa plane ofa private jet enti ontiase ne bonyo so eye okay we Ghana ni na wonti bibia say eye okay obonyu bibia so eye okay but Okujeto go to the extent say plane na mampanyi di tu kwan or the plane no itinerary ni details nyina flight na time a plane to time a plane be lande ekura ekoso jeopardizing the security of the president. And so now no me so call president ho or for say the oil no compromise the security of the president. But me no media for share abrantie I friend Okujeto Ablakwa am on the mampanyi details or flight details enya ba ko nya mienu nya miensa. Why are we allowing this gentleman to put the entire country in jeopardy in the name of calling for accountability? Irresponsible politism like adia wo ye no ugu nipa ho fin u di nipa enkwa to adwamu but because of politics in it. Now in the third danger Okujeto Astate. He's the chief propagandist. The third danger enuni. Okujeto Astate Reverend Kusi Boateng project we are or say papa no I am from so no. The first attempt is to try as much as possible. Until we shall brofo a omotro ne nsem omo kan omo use words be say sham political pastor hwan the omo pese omo ye nyina ne say enwu sofopon no hu fin ku sofopon no hu fin wi a opanyin bi a wode ne ho abata saa sofopon no saa opanyin ne nso no ye betimi agu fin.
That's how you understand.
No, that's not how I understand it. That is what they have said.
Madam for Kofi Tonto.
Yes.
Inti ugumi medimasia.
Yeah.
Ebeka Kofi Tonto ebiso.
No, ideally, no, it shouldn't be the case. Now, remember example. Oh, Oman Hene Kwabna Santia. Oh, yeah, Jumama multimedia. Kwasi chum na your boss. Kwasi chum ni unipa banya we. Ono na afa we jumam ti to da bia obetimi no we share din komo atenase asere atwa picture na bibi. Ena wo Oman Hene obi asem bi ato so. Say why you say any say ni say. And now say me Kofi Tonto me mpe Kwasi chum asem ni ntino. Na makwa akofa wo Oman Hene ne Kwasi chum cha. De na mo se mo hwe Kwasi chum. One Oman Hene na ye de asem ato ne so ne nam. Enti Kwasi chum ye nipa bonini.
Monhwe Dr. Bawumia.
Monhwe Dr. Bawumia. Oni Reverend Kusi Boateng na nam ti Dr. Bawumia ye nipa bonini. Enya me na me kan ofosu kwachi asema o kan ni. Me be ready actual.
How do you
Oh, me be ready actual man.
Felix
ofosu kwachi asema o kan. Tie. Osi
twam dada na
me see enra asema Felix ofosu kwachi e kan. Osi the revelations on Kusi Boateng, or is it Edu Jenfi, who is known for his MPP partisanship
and coordination of Alhaji Bawumia's ridiculous effort to foist himself on the Christian community. TNA, the revelations of Kusi Boateng, or is it Edu Jemfi, who is known for his MPP partisanship and coordination of Alhaji Bawumia's ridiculous effort to foist himself on the Christian community. So one agenda NDC for setting.
Foist.
Say what then was yes, one word that we use. Where's the political pastor? Foist Christian community. So NDC for a meeting. I am telling you for a fact.
That I cannot.
No, not saying I'm in the political speech.
So you make your statement.
No, I'm talking. I'm in the political speech.
Making meeting or not making
okay.
meeting. Okay. There's an issue that
they are living their intentions. In law, there is mens rea and actus rea. Your intent and your actions. Their intent, they are living it. Upon they say, Reverend Kusi Boateng and Abeye Brofokasem, dear friend, the conduit. Ono na abeye kwanya ye faswa ana ye de faswa ma Dr. Bawumia e Christopher enya nkitahudi. Enti sa papa no wabeye ono na abeye kwanya ye faso ma Dr. Bawumia e Christopher nya nkitahudi no. Si egu sa papa ne hu fin. Near the fore Dr. Bawumia. Anye Dr. Bawumia niema o ya onama o konsori ne e Christopher nya nkitahudi a ebua ma papa no ene e Christopher ayonkofa no emu adi esi na esita no. Si etimi gu sa papa ne hu fin a ene Dr. Bawumia sa nkitahudi na odi no. Ntina Felix Kachira will say, the revelations on Kusi Boateng, who is known for his MPP partisanship and coordination of coordination. Asama mekan no. Enipa ono na edip Dr. Bawumia sorry no. Coordination of Alhaji Bawumia's ridiculous effort to foist himself Christian community. Enti NDC for bonyo so. Said Dr. Bawumia sorry or kwa sorry. Sankita hudie na Dr. Bawumia ni sorry enyano. Ha omu si omu political power omu peno si no kwan. Enti yenwu Reverend Kusi Boateng enimu anyame na meka. Abrantie ofosu kwachi na eka.
What follow nkomo na e kuje to black white.
Yeah.
What follow?
Of course, and na wakoshraj.
Okay.
So, and now make a question.
So in common now follow you. What you say?
Let me tell you, na makacho.
Ogun hufi.
Then I make sure say you do okuja to yempa. He enra unim dey start see. Obia wo social media bia be catch. What they started doing is and these social media bloggers they started sharing pictures of Reverend Kusi Boateng and Dr. Bawumia.
That's not an issue that can stand, because if you share those pictures, Kofi Adams, but now I can say, we are politicians, who to take a picture with, because you might never know what that picture will be used for. Yes. So that one is the
of course, but then I make sure I say almost start to share a picture. No, some of us we saw it, but we ignored it.
Very relevant.
We ignored it until say ofosu kwache beka sa same way.
Okay.
Edi besi so say sa de mo ye no.
Botai ni.
Na ye susu sa mo ye no. Sa botai ni. Say mo free say Kusi Boateng ene de Dr. Bawumia sorry, edi ni hye yen so. O say foist. Edini shayenso na sa political pastor na wode Bawumia sorry no sa fe de mahu nanim guase.
Okay, so
my memfa manunsi de me pese me ka kire NDC for mo te omo ho ase simple and say de onyame ahira no na we hira no to nyame se Dr. Bawumia na emeye oman we kandinia. There is nothing, absolutely nothing. Me kind Edward Omane Buama betna radio so say Africa Watch here report betna radio so say ebe chire mu Africa word sometime na Accusations shows yakaba of blessed memory na show ebe discuss sa Africa watch eyi ni say President Akufo-Addo enya stage 4 cancer can say President Akufo-Addo ye shorty. He can never become a president. Let them understand and understand clearly. Say PN you are or you utahene a bag Ghana. A Ghana for na nyame di tumi na show musa. Say onu Nyankopon adwene mu ne nsuye mu no or pese Dr. Baumia be ye president a obeba be ye president. Na yema Christopher Muntie. And then Reverend Kusibuatinyo. And then ye obi sofu. Se musu sonsam boni ni sabe eniema ensem fata NDC 4 years so china be ye won so sofu. Ye be gu nanimu ase. Ye be supa na sei no efi se obi petumi.
Okay. I mean was lawyer you share new year.
You share.
Ibia come.
Several di one ka me. We dey ka send me happy new year back na say merry christmas.
Me ko ton koko.
Na me ton. Na to ton koko ne enem ponchen to one ka ho.
Wadarma me jitu.
One ka say we
wadarma.
We dey encrem na. Watch out, traffic catching me.
No problem. Minimum just out here.
Exactly.
Before time. Yeah.
Watch out, and
Yes. Okay, what about you going to crack? No, you're copiers. We did statement from Ampedu.
Now that is you the Onyanga.
Oh, of course. Yeah, why not? So, no, come on, Sinkunyo.
I was say born.
No, I'm Sinkunyo. Mama, I say me here change no. No, the Accusations and say. And go see. I'm cry. Yes, yeah, persecution. Yeah, Badwam ye niam na tumi and wakoti na ho enti yanko we su bi dem say o si ba na me bi share say o be dwan to am say enti me wan say me adam
message me nya bi okay national sorry mama nchemi ni am say yeah you share that boko there good metra say matie no am say watoto bi agumu kama na on say awahene yentwa sem asem tintin tete nyina na say yes adwuma bi de JNS Talent Center or Talent Limited whatever say they didn't tete area JNS na JNS yakonya sika bi afiri aban to sanfo nchen oman what you can never have your credited by the accountant general that if you are not done any work for them because accountant general and the like he controls aban sika okay through after Ministry of Finance we are see this kind of asmesia one the better say first can asmesi that's the interest can account in yes so before anybody receives money from accountant general there should be a facility is many aban nyansa wo so die bi directly in a contract or whatever exactly secretary bom the secretary nti yatia mame this company was with an amount of about 3.something million Ghana cedis around 20 something August
2.6
no 2.6 amount in a ban account was 3.something
okay
and no tia mu 2.6 was a 2. something a ma a year your friend saying National Cathedral Board or trustee or whatever you call them okay utia says kanema first point in the say at the end no yeah we nya say sika from aban that's the first question to be able to understand it and the first point they say we can say well yeah the end ma aban tie man say sika puduo no 3.something million and better on account mu no to me na ho de ka say me nua hia sika tima mo na besia
is the narrative changing because there's a letter to the effect that onu no per a letter from the directorate of a cathedral. Says is he can be say cathedral can be no. Says he can Emma
o man here. Message take it from me. On the bank statement of this JNS Limited, the JNS company, they received an amount of money proud today giving the National Cathedral.
I don't think this one.
That is the case. I'm telling you.
There's a document to that effect.
I am missing bank statement.
Evidence because
I can get you a copy.
Baby, I want here. Another introduction of
no. Oh, that is a fact.
If there's a criteria, a chance here. do 3.7 yagugo.
Do you know the lawyer to Okujeto?
I need to check from the production team. Oh, okay.
Yeah, information.
No, I think that
I can't just come and sit here and just speak. You know me. I mean, when we say that, proud to say papa no be ma ebobo so bo besia wo so de chair mo so de you. Proud to that and sika be free accountant general ban account. Okay? And no be no yidi boss that company ni business so yidi ma say I mean the national cathedral for. That is a fact. Per bank statement. Per his bank statement. He had money around 25th or 26th of August, and I think he made payment to National Cathedral around 27th of August. Of August. So what I say? So the first point in the say, well, what the argument or you says you can buy in the first place. Where then? As to issues about needing, baby didn't be a fear didn't one day. I mean, those matters will be dealt with at the appropriate time. Obia of feeding. If you didn't mention. But me number be on boss as tells me from Chrome or me from Babia. I mean, me always my colleagues need even say me sure be sure friend me chum. It's either the person knows me from the media circle or from my ex-police field.
Na say me feed in the crop ya sante o men krata bi so.
I won krata bi so and I won krata so.
O men krata bi ni.
E bi ni so.
Yeah.
And be so we so.
And me di Benjamin Sante da ko.
And we be so we so.
Yeah, and e bi won so me amakosi sane say me free sa ti bia we maba.
Enti now baby also a free ban is the last name that you can use. Legal wise. If you have an evidence, an affidavit, and then a gazette supporting the fact, now the corruption and Alexander. So now henceforth you are known to be the Chimberman, not corruption. Is there a proof that?
Every because you come when
so there are so many questions to ask. And it's a bizarre also. It's a bizarre also. Okay. And saying Tremun is a baye. I don't know who found Tremun.
But lawyer,
I'm not from Kumasi. And one is what? Mental, but I know when you're a bush. You he is having a document. I mean, you have to be a security, a passport. I have already finished. Okay, the point is that someone not what the correct funeral. Understand the one is said, there should be evidence to that effect.
Lawyer, Patrick, me to me a question. We are lawyer, very simple. We are lawyer. So, what tender evidence in court? Evidence now what tender no. Court will share say ehun be ye crime anameboa. Say evidence now okuje tender ye no. Obi aba be ka say ode ono a onnim kusi boaten no ba bia ampo information
na program
abeka part of evidence now okuje to tender ye no. Abi ni issue okuje to evidence no. Okay.
Yeah, hold on. Mama hold on ha. E say edujiwom na kusi business so na fe na chance here. You have subjected the whole scenario to questioning.
I mean, so and that is why he's going to stretch because stretch is going to help us to get answers to questions. And why does the need to probe further? We probe further. What I say, anything one can say police in general. What's our question now? Not why when invoking stretch for said one moment you move 17.
But Daroma, out of 3, no, just one. Na mema 5 minutes.
Me dem you na I was saying now.
I meant to this. I the quantity.
Oh, lawyer. Now finances.
Na lawyer na we say that you can say ya ko dia wo dia what be da wada ro ma na wo na yesia fi wo say you mrefo na wo so dia wo dia pimo
o krade anka piras dia na obeka ami ahu say liga na say liga ala mi ti kan ti na kan mi pa.
Let me tell you something. Yeah. Omani say you may have say ya go fatu amusu ya.
Yes.
Can me say I was like mabo kuntunkuri.
You tin fata. I have na photo van see the unya one.
Na dey enton. Omani.
Yes.
I was like na mabo ko jan.
Die ko so ntino.
Come here. Can you imagine say wonya obi a wodi utwa hye ne nsam? as you become chim o my penny. Ghana for the woman reaction. Ghana for the woman did you be on bamboo woman sick as be as a woo. And then pimp over 30-something million yabo needs a be dear never swinging. Never see a sabra young woman, ABC. Papa did not seem to see Ghana for Casabra Ghana. One more trust I ever have my mind. I could hear you not mine. Say Ghana is in a state I young could be more dying now for the last 50 years. A been see that. That's where we find ourselves today. You know it. I never really can acquire IMF as they made us know when it got to their time. This is a 17th time come by IMF. The Ghana, they said you're a member of the IMF.
But that's a fact.
Did they know that?
Is there a
did they know that? Some years back, did they know that we were members of the IMF?
Oh, but
and I call if you are on by anyone a Ghana member of the IMF. Fanato. Omanpanino, I know woman you have cast and bitch. That's all kind. I also want to assure Ghanaians that no individual or institutional investor. So an institutional investor, and a business, for instance, who could be a data bank, who could be a Fidelity, who could have investment account be, and that one was a buying bond DB. One way institutional investor. In pension funds, in government treasury bills, our instruments will lose their money. As a result of our ongoing IMF negotiations, there will be no haircut on investor commerce. So what ya? And now no nya intesuko kwa me for teachera banya na kwa the pension fund be wrom. Mi wa na man pania sha obode da. Se enka ho. Yan fe wrom bi. So se wunya abanya wodi wani ma won fa na kura nya dwuma. Abanya wodi wani ma no kura bo no se do so bakoko. O ka sam tira wo ha benkum na wan nyinu hu mi na wodi de na kufu adbaga tira wachi a wo ba pim dan. That is the government for you. And individual investors or no, you have the same pesika they acquire or money. Do you know why people invest their money or give their money to government through bonds? Because it's one of the most risk-free investments you can ever do. For instance, TBO, I buy short important with you. Ask the financial expert, they will tell you. Okay? And I risk-free. And the show will come and to Ukraine. A 7 million 7 years so I buy a castle nothing will beat the home of the man. Now we need to do this kind of buying. If you say, what are your friends say in Simu and as a focus interest? Effice. O mine. Yen could your friends say, I carry a dread do Japan for any more in Yamoka. That's a bit of come on. Suffer Yajuma. Wash them book how the betray be able to me and Santam was with Santam many interest, I think the many interest, whichever women watch us and say, my copum. And Kratada so Yadiato. What Jacob Bobra Bonnie? Would this canoe Bobra Bonnie? There was much from to into our cow, dear. Ubi also almost be Sabi. Oh, by hours, a mere Adam can the Cattler say, meeting to your country, me, I didn't say, but I didn't say, but they brought no tongue. Upompo, the tongue. Namitino Cosense. One for Upompo was a volunteer.
Voluntarily. You know the implications of language.
Wouldn't we say before you take such a one first thing that any reasonable person should do is to negotiate with you.
Of course, certainly.
I will say a trusted income. There are something that you call in contrast frustrations. But I'm just using it as an example. I miss a contract and the performance becomes impossible. This government first announced intentions to you before answer no, but
you know, call fund managers on almost soon.
And you can't
that's what call for a broad.
Why not call history? Telling me about me, our 2 hours economic no,
minority is
minority. You need the minority to come and tell you that.
You not buying
minority to come and tell you that. When government was announced in Parliament in December, telling you what he's going to do, didn't they know that they should have engaged all
La chumba no court judge be no echo.
Na so man wakasa che na ekombo.
Na me time na ma
Una man time.
Na one what you wanna wait next.
Una man time dey myself.
When the man come in the
See the bread here.
Ya make any.
Oh yeah, PS ya sama ba won ka ho asem na. Oh yeah.
I know come here. I was saying what can engage in profound that. And what this was say, and the one person to me. There be my matana can probably. To be a woman and yes, and you say, oh, about winning because we'll be born of Nan companies will just announce the Chia, but the war will be true what you wouldn't say what you had. A World Bank told us in February 2020 that some minor share your business, you will get to a point of debt distress.
No, I mean,
and how do you do
a bread here?
What I say? I mean, what Bosican, what Jisican, what near to any Diamana?
I wish it's not to a conversation by a bread here. If that was wrong, my son will be Fachame Pa. You're a comnedu, Yako, so sad, Omami, Oba paying Florence Abena Chumwa Edu, and Professor Danny Kofi Edu, Unia paying Radiaton Safra. Omo 1 week, you know, Ebaso Sejimasi Presi Primary Park. Namiadma, 28th of January 2023, and upon what we Yanko Tai era comnedu, do our friend Santa Baron. Yanko Tai Chibrane Mami, Oba paying Florence Abena Chumwa Edu, and Professor Danny Kofi Edu. Omo eradia tonsa afre
o ka mama ya se me de ne mama fa ba kunchemu lawyer for that degree sorry amaliba ono se ne mama afrim ai sorry there is a legal for the NDC ono se ne mama afrim ti ya kan de na senior ya akokese na nkoma
okay, I've just been sent certain documents in relation to the Kusi Boateng conversation. Unfortunately, time is up. The statement and the correspondence are the free National Cathedral and GNS for account. Okay, right.
But I saw there no crana woman na makachi.
Bible intend carbon
it's good.
Their target is Dr. Badwam.
If that is the end, it will all
wash.
Yeah, that one wash.
Nobody's interested.
And kokachi ofosu kwachi. Kokachi ofosu kwachi.
The commentary is harsh and unfair. Where they not can say Obia need to
Obia need interest. We have no interest.
Obia need to impose saying. What does this mean?
We have the right to ask questions.
What question did he ask?
When individual or private company is paying money from the government, where there is no work done, we have to ask questions.
Read the natural question.
That is Ofosu Kwachi. I am asking questions.
What are you talking about?
I'm asking a question now. We need to get a clarity and understanding.
Leader in ND
say we want answers to certain questions that we have asked.
You can have answers.
Okay, that is why he is going to try.
Lawyer, you can have answers.
So let's wait for the answers to come.
But
okay, so Mami from there's a directive from
but
there's a directive from Victor Kusi Boateng to the bank, the Accusations Bank, as in ADB Bank, directing them to pay on the 27th of August 2021.
How much?
An amount of please do transfer 2.6 million Ghana cedis from my corporate
exactly what
account.
I said. Date 27th August, right?
27th August.
Thank you. I said it here.
My corporate account, JNS Talent Limited, International Cathedral.
But he had received 3 point something earlier, and he transferred 2.7 out of that, and that's why I'm asking.
Why is that?
Why is I'm missing the bank statement? I'm giving you the.
But the account does not show. But the account does not show 3.6 billion.
I one account. Now, do I tell you? Do I tell you the entire money in my account? It's not done anywhere.
Whatever account.
It is not done. If I'm telling a bank, my bank to transfer money to you, I don't need to tell the bank my outstanding balance before they transfer the money. It's not done. It's not done. What I said.
Your friend a logical fallacy.
No.
Oh yeah.
It's not
absolute fallacy in your
bank statement.
You can absolute fallacy
for you this afternoon. Do you want it?
There's no logic.
Do you want it? Do you want the bank statement? Do you want the bank statement? You want the bank statement? I'll get it for you right after the show. Major,
What be catch the Ghana for some medium What are you talking about? What are you
I'm going to
talking
get
about?
for you. But
Where the 3.6 or 3.5
oh, who will be a friend?
This year.
Call it.